Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Here we have my candle haul from Bath and Body Works. Stay tuned. Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. And I wanted to show you guys my Bath and Body Works haul. So let's get right into it. I'm sure some of you all bought some candles too. I couldn't get that many, but I got what I could because as I was putting stuff in the cart, it was disappearing. So thank you for shopping. Oh, this is the receipt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles. So yeah, I got 8 candles. I think they do a really good job at packaging. Okay, so I got the Mahogany Teakwood Intense. Some of these are I'm gonna give away as gifts. I got the Cucumber Melon. Oh, that smells so good. I love cucumber scents. And then we have Fresh Blossom. I love the smell of Christmas too, like the trees and the evergreens. Mary Mimosa. Let's see. This smells kind of fresh green, if you will. What's a good description? Mimosa. It's kind of got a little like cucumber scent actually. Rose water and ivy. Oh. And this one is warm vanilla sugar. Oh, who doesn't love vanilla? Some people don't like vanilla though, but and this one is stress relief, eucalyptus and spearmint. I got this from my mom. She loves eucalyptus and spearmint. So, oh, it sure is dusty. And then we have the cherry blossom, Japanese cherry blossom. Oh, they all smell good, so that's it. Japanese cherry blossom, rose water ivy, stress relief, warm sugar vanilla, mimosas, mahogany teakwood, fresh blossom, and cucumber melon. So thank you guys for watching my Bath and Body Works haul. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. I guess I got more candles that didn't come with I didn't even know. Oh, look at these little boxes. Oh, these are the cutest. Look at these. Winterberry wreath. Oh, I guess I got more than I thought. Toasted coconut snowball. Oh, nice. What is this one? And toasted peppermint and cotton candy champagne. Oh, nice. Oh, I don't know if I want to open it. Ooh, it smells, these smell good. I can smell these. easy to open without, because I might just smell these. Yeah. The world's best 3-wick candles, guaranteed. Period. Okay, listen, look at this. This cotton candy champagne. Bubbly rose, sweet strawberries, pink sugar with natural essential oils. Oh, okay. And then this twisted peppermint. Peppermint, sugar snow, vanilla, buttercream, hint of musk with natural essential oils. I think I'm going to burn this one today. And let's see what this one is. This one is toasted coconut snowball. Toasted coconut, vanilla musk, whipped cream with natural essential oils. Oh, nice. That's going to be kind of vanilla-y. And then winter wreath. What did I say? Picked orange, juicy blackberry, warm velour, velveteer, vetiver with natural essential oils. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's so hard to decide, but yeah, that's what I got. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.